How you doing? I found another radio, and this one should be a pretty good one, depending on what you want, of course. This is the little Rysamton radio. It's AM, FM, no shortwave. It's a digital recorder and playback, so you can play back MP3 files. It has alarms. It has a scan and store function. Has, of course, a nice clock. And if I push a button, the backlight will come on. See there? Nice bright clock, easy to read. It fits in the palm of your hand. It's got these buttons here for playback or changing to the different stations that you've stored. There's the band select. Here's for playing the music. Here is for continuous play of the music or locking the keyboard so you don't disturb anything. Here's where you can set a sleep alarm or just a regular alarm. Set the time, scan the various bands, manipulate the memory. They don't say in the memory how much memory it has. But I think, and I'll show you, I did a scan and I went way above, I think like 30 or 40. A record file, you can play back a record file, and then you can record either off of the radio or through this little tiny microphone. It has a built-in battery, so there's no battery to put in. There is where the TF memory card goes. Telescopic antenna that swivels and is about 15 inches. A tuning dial when you're in the tuning mode. And one thing that I really like, it's got a big print manual, making it really easy to read. I don't have to go through my scanner and scan it and then blow it up and all that. Lots of information, everything you possibly could need. Great manual. That's a first for one of these inexpensive radios. This radio, right now on Amazon, is $24.95 with a, trying to get 20% discount. So I got it for like $19.95. And I think it's worth it. Now it has this little thingy here for like a strap or something. I don't recall a strap being in the box. It might be, and maybe I missed it because I usually don't like straps hanging on. Let's turn it on. Okay, there's the power button right here. Backlight on, hold, press and hold. Oop, I turned it off completely. That's not what I wanted. Oh, maybe we just hit a function. Nope, I think you hold. There we go. Yeah, just hit one of the functions. So there's the FM. We turn the volume down with these buttons here, up and down. So we'll extend the telescopic antenna. Say it's about 18 inches. And we'll set it here, about like that. And then we'll scan. There's a single scan where it'll stop on the first station, and then a continuous scan and store. So I'm going to let it do right now. See how many stations I get. Best case, I can get about 30 stations, FM.
A woman who jumped from an I-90.
Scans pretty fast. Getting all the stations nice and clear. Of course, most are music. Good audio. Up 17. And when I say I get 30 stations, that's with an external antenna. And got 23, 25, 26. Okay, so we got 26 stations. Let me turn this music down. Got 26 stations, which is pretty darn good with just the built-in antenna. And you saw it scan pretty fast. And now we can use these buttons here to go through the memory locations. So there's channel 2. I'll turn the volume back up. Music again. Plenty of volume.
In a van. It was pretty safe, but it was fascinating. Yeah. And you'd go and okay, well, here are the giraffes and the elephants.
Didn't pick up any noise so far. A lot of these inexpensive radios will pick up noise when they do the scan.
Hard times don't last. El nuevo Sol 97. Nothing says Tim.
Now it is DSP, so there is a hesitation when it's tuning.
Foot in most places.
For a period of
The home of you.
Okay, and like I said, turn this down. You can use this knob to tune manually. See it tune manually at 0.1 megahertz. And then you can do manual store into the memory locations. So if you got a weak station that's strong enough that you can hear it and you want to hear it, you can store that away. And then we can go to AM. Now it'll probably want to face this direction because the stations are that way. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'll let it start. So now we're going to do the scan. And I'm going to start, and I'm going to face it that way, which is probably the preferred. This is plastic, so it shouldn't interfere. See how many stations it gets. And then, like I say, it has a record function. You can either record off of the radio, or you can record with this little built-in microphone. It does an okay job with that microphone, not fantastic. Mainly for like making yourself notes or stuff like that. Let's see. Oh, it scans in medium wave really slow because it scans at, I think, 1 kilohertz. Yeah, so it's really slow. But it's going to find anything that's in there. I don't know why it doesn't scan at 10 because it's set up for 10 kilohertz, so it works in the U.S. properly. It's only up to 790. So it like I say, it takes a long time to do the medium wave scan because of the slow increment. I might actually stop it because it takes so long. It's only up to 950 or 850. Yeah, I'm going to stop it. It's only up to 850. Let's see what channel it's on. I mean, it's up to 12. Yeah, I'll let it go. You can fast forward through this. While I'm waiting here, or we're waiting here, let me find the box and see if there is a carrying strap. Let's see. There is a carrying strap. Yep. There's a carrying strap that comes with it. And the charger, this is how you charge it, USB charger. cable. So with everything you need, it does not come with a USB adapter to charge it. They warn you not to use the radio or the recorder when it's being charged, because that does cause interference. And it doesn't need, like that other radio, it doesn't need the cord as the FM antenna. It has a telescopic antenna. We're up to 1170. We've got 21 stations. Some of those might be noise. And like I say, I have to orient this way because the stations are that way. I don't have to, but for best reception, I do. I think it has a 18650 battery because it says it's 3.7 volts, and let's see what other kind of specs. Okay, FM. Recording bit rate is 128 kilopulses per second. Bluetooth is 5.0. Maximum communications via Bluetooth is 10 meters. It's 4.7 by 2.7 by 1.06 inches. That's the dimensions. That's about it. Let's see where we're at. We're up to channel 31. Wow. And we're at 1470. Getting near the end of the band. I took the time and let it scan because I want you to see how many stations it finds. Could be, some of those are noise. 33, we're up to 33. Again, it doesn't say how many memory locations it has. Got at least 33, maybe 100. Okay, it's up to 1570. Still finding, now we're up to 36. I'm leaning close to my camera. I shouldn't do that. 1620, 39. I suspect a lot of those are noise. We'll see. Okay, we're coming up on 1700. $40. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it finished. So it found 40 signals on the medium wave band. I'm going to keep it oriented like this because, like I say, reception is better. I'll turn the volume up. And then we'll go through this noise. Excuse me.
Send it in when you're ready, but you get the 50% reduction no matter when you send it in if you do it now. Go to legacybox.com.
Okay, there's a station.
/Prager, legacybox.com/
The guy on the other end of that spectrum.
Another station. Noise. Station. Noise. Noise.
Feeling a little bit better.
Weak station.
And about Brock Purdy.
Good.
There's been a...
I'm up to noise.
And just a reminder, you...
Doing a great job, except for the fact that it's getting these noise signals. Some of these signals are really weak. I mean, just normally.
Doesn't look like much.
Okay, there's 970. That's strong.
You're listening.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop because it could take forever. Since it's, and I don't know why they do that, since in the AM band, it's tuning at 1 kilohertz instead of 10 kilohertz. It's picking up those noisy signals between the stations. That's one drawback. But you can delete any of those memory locations. I think that's about it. I'm really impressed with it, really. Oh, well, yeah, recording. Let's see. I'm going to figure out how to do that. So you have to go back to clock mode. And then if I push record file, it should play back recorded files. And I got to turn the volume back up.
Hey, this is Tom. And
This is when I recorded.
Show, and I'm recording on this new FM radio / digital recorder. Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm recording on this new FM radio / digital recorder.
So let me see, how do I get to the TF card? I mean to the...
Hey, this is Tom, and this... Hey, this is Tom,
maybe
and
this
this
is...
is Tom's... Hey, this is Tom, and this...
Okay.
Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's...
I have forgotten
show, and I'm recording on this new
how to get to maybe memory.
/ digital recorder. Hey, this is Tom, and this
Okay,
is
hold
Tom's
on.
Radio Room Show, and I'm recording on this new FM
I'm trying to play
radio
the music from the
/
TF card.
digital recorder.
Insert the TF card.
Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm recording on this new FM radio / digital
Press
recorder.
music button.
Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show,
okay.
and I'm recording on...
There we go. Whoa. Audio is really good and loud if you want it. So this is recordings from the YouTube free library. And I've got about 100 recordings on here. I'll let you listen to it. I'll turn the volume up a little bit. Switch tracks. Stop. So those are files I got off the YouTube free library, and I downloaded them to my computer, and then I downloaded them from my computer to the TF card. Simple as that. That's about it. I think it's, if you don't need shortwave, AM and FM record function, Bluetooth, use it as a Bluetooth speaker with your cell phone. I think it's a great buy. $24.95 with a 20% discount right now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it. Also, I like your comments. I love comments. Bye-bye.